Discover your musical potential on Yannis Kapa Guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn E minor bar chord. Okay, everybody. E minor bar chord. So what you do is you put your first finger, all of it as bar, on the 7th fret. Then you put the second finger on 8th fret, 2nd string. Then you put your third finger on 9th fret, 4th string, and then you put your pinky finger on 9th fret, 3rd string. And that's your E minor bar chord. Okay, you see the difference? This is the E minor, and this is the E minor bar chord. It's the same thing, although it sounds differently. The reason why I'm teaching you all that stuff is to be more versatile in your playing. Instead of just play this, okay, just try this. Okay. You see the difference? It's still the same thing, although there is a differentiation between the sounds. And don't forget, always use your fingertips, okay? And then always make sure your thumb here on the guitar is not sideways. It's always, the thumb should touch the middle of the fretboard, okay? And should be like a cross. You see that? My finger, my thumb goes like this, and the fretboard goes like this. Okay, so this gives you room also here to have more flexibility in your fingers. And make sure the fingertips always do not touch the adjacent strings. And you get a clear sound always. And that's your E minor bar chord. So thank you so much for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, press a like, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.